Alright, welcome to my channel, Man Things. Before we start off, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this, and make sure you hit that bell to get reminders for the new episode. Alright, I reviewed a lawnmower called the Worx Lawnmower, W-O-R-X. So, let's get into that. Yeah, I chose this lawnmower for several reasons. First reason, it's electric. You don't have to worry about purchasing gas for it, worry about maintenance with spark plugs. It's also eco-friendly. So I also had neighbors wondering what I had. They seen me cutting the grass and they was like, what is that? So it's an electric lawnmower. You don't see a whole lot of those out here. So yeah, people was kind of impressed about that. Welcome to the future.
Great Scott.
It has a leaf or a mulch bag. The mulch bag. Shoo. I got some. See you later. And there he is. There he goes. Alright, so where was I? And it's very quiet. So you cut grass at night when nobody even know you was cutting grass. So that's a few reasons why I purchased the item. It's very lightweight. It's roughly 30 pounds or so. You can maneuver it very easily. It also comes with a rechargeable battery, which is wonderful. Got an indicator on the battery that you can press and see how many bars. I think it's 3 bars. So that's pretty good. Usually the battery lasts between 45 minutes to an hour. So I kind of let the grass grow a little longer than usual. So I had to cut it and the lawnmower started dying earlier on me. The pros for me, it's no gas usage. It's cordless. You don't have to do any real maintenance on it. You don't have to buy anything else. Once you got it, you got it.
Got it!
I would suggest though, depends on how big your yard is, to get 2 batteries. Just in case. My yard is really not that big. One battery is substantial, so I'm good with that. With my yard being not that big, it is a 14-inch cut blade, so it's really not that big. They do sell them bigger than that, but I got mine from Amazon. Yeah, so overall, oh well, let's get into the cons. I don't really have too many cons about it. I can add to another pro though, because with the battery, you just take it, plug it in, wait whatever amount of time, slap another one in, and keep going. So the only con I have, if your battery runs out, that would be the only issue I have. It cuts very good. They have them at Amazon for like $1.95. So you can pick those up at Amazon, check them out. Worx also has a line of lawn care equipment in general. And in my research with them, I also came across they have a robotic lawnmower called the Landroid M. It only has a 7-inch cut, but what it does, I don't know the price, but what it does is basically you set it up. It's like a rumble bot for your lawn. Instead of sucking up dirt in your house, you got a lawnmower to cut your grass without any manning. Is that word, manning? Check me out on Twitter, Instagram. You also email me at manthings00@gmail.com. Well, what I like about the Landroid, that you set it and forget it. No. He's purring too. He wanna play. Come on, Dave. Man, this is Dave. He wants to play.
Oh, he's so cute.
It's about that time again. Go ahead. Look at stubborn cat.